Hello everyone! Are you tired of learning Persian from videos and apps that leave you more confused than before? They throw at you hundreds of words, but when you start speaking Persian, nothing comes out. Familiar? You watched hours of videos of Learn Farsi Fast, but still you can't say more than Salam and Chetori. Tired of feeling stuck? You're not alone. Learning Persian already is a big step, and the way many teach it just isn't helping. You deserve better. You deserve lessons that are clear, step by step, and connected to the real life Persian. Not only grammar rules or hundreds of words to be memorized. If you are learning Persian for travel, family, love, or for work, or only for curiosity, I'm here for you. You don't need to learn hundreds of words and verbs. You only need to learn everyday real Persian. You need understanding and communication. You don't need translation. And that's what I do here in this channel. I'm Mahtab and I'm a native Persian speaker, and I've created this channel to help you learn Persian the way it's actually spoken. And with several years of experience teaching hundreds of students in the universities and my private students all around the world, I would like to teach you Persian using a very effective, easy and systematic method. So don't hesitate to join me in learning one of the world's oldest, richest, the most beautiful and most fascinating classical languages. If you're finally ready to learn Persian and enjoy the process, you are in the right place. Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's start this journey together. And finally, I will teach you Persian. Rest assured, you are in a right time and in a right place. Are you ready? Let's go!